In this video, we're going to talk about finding special products of polynomials, and in specific, it's the square of a binomial pattern. So right now, you might be feeling like this guy right now. Huh? How do I do this? Well, it's just a shortcut. So I'm going to show you how to use that shortcut. And if you're not comfortable with it, you can always do a little bit longer of a way. Okay? Let's put this guy to the side for just a moment. All right, so let's take a look at this example. I have a binomial, and it's being squared. 2x plus 1 squared. Now, keep in mind that this will not equal 4x squared plus 1. A lot of students want to make that assumption, and it's not correct. This will not equal that. It'll be close, but it's not. So let's take a look. 2x plus 1 squared is really 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. And if you were in my class, you would know that you can use area multiplication to figure this out. You would have a binomial times a binomial, so you're going to make a 2 by 2 square. You fill in that square with all the products, and you can see that you get 4x squared, a 2x, and a 1. So as I write it out, I notice that the two middle terms here are exactly the same. They're like terms, so I can add them together, and I get that as a resulting answer. 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. What the shortcut says is this. It says, listen, if you have 2x plus 1 squared, what you do is you take the first term and you square it, 2x squared. You take the two middle terms, the two terms here, you multiply with each other and double it. And then last one, you square it as well. So if I take a look at my example, 2x squared is 4x squared. 2 times 2x times 1 is going to be 4x, and 1 squared is 1. And you notice that these two here are exactly the same answer. So it just proved to you that it does work. Okay? So let's take a look at the next one here as another example. So here I have x plus 5 squared. So again, that's x plus 5 times x plus 5. So if I write over here to the side using area multiplication, I can see that that's my answer. I get x squared, positive 5x, and 25. So once again, these two middle terms here are like terms combined together to give you that 10x. If I use the shortcut says, all right, I can take this first term and square it, take these two terms, multiply each other, it's 5x, and double it. And then lastly, I take the last term, 5, and I square it. And my answer is the same as area multiplication. Now, if you're not comfortable with that, just use area multiplication. That's fine, no problem. But I do want to show you there's a shorter, faster way of doing it. So let's go ahead and try this out. You can pause the video at this time, and I have this example for you. If you know this by heart, if you know the shortcut by heart, you can get my answers very quickly. All right, go ahead and pause it. And bringing it back, my answer is going to be t squared minus 14t plus 49. That's a very quick, easy way to do that. Let's try one more. You can pause it, try to get your answer. Your answer should be 16c squared. This times this is going to give me negative 36, so I double that, minus 72c. And the last one, positive 81. So you can see this is a fast and quick, easy way to get my answers. When I'm multiplying a binomial with a binomial, then it's exactly the same, squaring a binomial.